wealthy. Use this Trading 212 Pi to grow your wealth. I've invested in 15 banks around the world. They use your money to make money, and we benefit from the profit they make in the form of dividends and the value of the growth of their shares. So, join the wealthy. I have done this using the Trading 212 platform and invested equally in all of these 15 banks. My current value is 168.24, and the holdings, there's 15 of them, and I'll quickly run through them. It's the Australia and New Zealand Bank, Banco Santander, which is based in Spain, Bank of America, BNP Paribas, which is the French National Bank, Deutsche Bank, which is the German bank, First Horizon, Invesco, Lloyds Banking Group, OSB Group, Toronto Dominion Bank, that's Canadian, UBS Group, Banco Commercial Portuguese, that speaks for itself, Bank of Portugal, Bank of Hawaii, NatWest and M&T Bank. As I say, my holdings are equal, spread about, and the total cash value of my holding is 802 because it's uninvested dividends. And if we carry on and we go to the overview to analyse, and we use the AI function, and that will give a current analysis of our holdings. How's my pie performing? And we will come up with the results. Your pie, join the wealthy, 15 banks, is up 40.19%. That's right, nearly 50%. On a current value of 168.23 versus the £120 I deposited to invest, equally in all 15 of the stocks. The dividends gained is 4.98, and I've reinvested 4.29 so far in dividends. The risk valuation snapshot, and that's weighted, it's a pie weighted, so it's an average over all 15 stocks. The beta is 0.43. It's lower sensitivity versus the broader market, so the stocks don't trade up and down that quickly. The price to earnings ratio is 12.76. Now, the way I'm looking at this is it's the number of years it will take from your dividends to reinvest to buy the stocks, and at the moment it will take 12.76 years of earnings to buy your stocks back, or buy the equivalent of one stock. The dividend yield average is 3.51%. The holdings, they all perform differently. The one which is given the biggest total return of 72% is Toronto Dominion Bank. Then we've got Banco Santander, which gives 70%, USB 58%, and Banco Commercial Portuguese 56%. This week's biggest movers, weekly change. Up is Australia New Zealand Banking at 2.6%, USB at 2%, and Invesco at 1.3%. And down is the Lloyds Banking Group at 2.57%, BNP Paribas down 2.44%, and NatWest down 2.3%. So it's not massive swings, but there is a bit of movement. And as I say, this is these are the holdings, and as you can see from my total increase in valuation of the holdings is up 40%, well over 40% at 40.19%. So this could be a good opportunity for you to earn some passive income with the dividends, but at the moment I'm reinvesting mine in the pie, so it's well worth looking at this, and you can copy my pie if you wish. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch up with you next time.